Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fathan Rasi Muhammad. My matric number A21EC4045, and this is my friends.
My name is Kemas Shiddiq, and my matric number is A21EC4047.
We will explain about the Lab3. So in here, in the first question, we have 9 instruction. First is we move the value of a hexadecimal 8 into the register AX, and then this has
The sign flag.
this is a 0 flag, and then this has parity flag, and then we move to the second instruction. So in here we add the value inside the register AX with 8 hexadecimal. So in here uh, we has parity flag, also we have a 0 flag. And then for the third instruction, we subtract the value inside the AX with 10 hexadecimal. So in here we have a auxiliary flag, and uh, and next uh, we we add again the value inside the register AX with 120. So kacau dik. Orang lagi.
Biarin aja, nggak apa. Okay, so we continue to the rest of the instruction of this Lab3 question 1. So after we negation the register of AX, we move to the register BH. In BH, we move the value of 6C hexadecimal to the BH, and C. Okay, we in the red one, this is the updates data on the memory, and then we got the sign flag, also the 0 flag becoming 0, and then the parity flag become still 1, but we can see the carry flag here become 1. And then we move to the next instruction. We add the value of 95 hexadecimal to the BH, and we add an update here, and EBX also EIP, but there's no update in the flags. And then we move the value of 2 to AL. We got an update. We got an update in EBX, in EIP, and also in EFL. So we got a sign flag with 0, and then auxiliary flag with 1, and the parity flag get 0. And then this is the last instruction in question 1. We substitute the register of AL with the value of 3, and the register AAX update become right here, and then EIP like this. So the final flags of this instruction is we got EI, I'm not sure what's the name of the EI. We got 1 sign flag with 0, 0 flag we got 0, auxiliary flag we got 1, parity flag we got 0, and the carry flag we got 1.
Okay.
We got 3 data here. First donkey, I use byte, and then Fiona using word, and Shrek using keyword, and it is 4, 8, and 16 respectively. And then so we move and jump to the instruction. First instruction is move the donkey to AL, and then donkey plus 2 to remove donkey plus 2 to the register AL and 45H, and then Fiona, we add Fiona to the register AX with 45, and then we add Fiona plus 2 with 45H, 45 hexadecimal, to the register AX, and then we move on bus 4 with 4444 hexadecimal to the register AX.
So the next instruction we have, we must move the value of unit plus 8, which is 0, 2, 4, and 8. So we move here for A for B into the register AH, and then for the next, we move the value 0 into the register EAX. Then after that, we move the value of UNA plus 2, which is 0245H into the register AX. And then lastly, we uh, we include the value of EAX, which is previously 0, into the array select. So for the question 8, we have array of int array, which has a word data type, and then we have a total variable which has a word data type, and then the first instruction we will calculate the offset or the address of int array. So if we run, so the address of AD is 404000, and then if we want to check the value of an array, which we include into the register ECX, so the length is 4, and then in here we want to add the value inside the AD with type in array. So the value will be, the AD will be changed into 404002, and then lastly we want to calculate the total we want to move the value of AX into the total value of AX is the actual value of ADE. So the total or the EAX is 190A00.
Okay, so now we are moving to the last question, which is question 11. So in question 11, we are required to make a code that will loop, and this is a loop code for assembly. We are at loop L1, and in this question, we are need to make a loop. This 200 will looping 5 times. So as we can see, what we're running here, the ECX is display 5, and the EAX register have a value like this. And if we play again, the ECX will decrease to 4, and the EAX become update to the this, and this is the third loop, second loop, and then the fourth loop. And if we are going to see the total, just right here, as we can see here, the ECX display 0, which this is the final or the total of the loop, and the EAX become 00190800, and this is the memory for this assembly. Okay, that's all from us, from group 1A. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.